Wake up!
It's way too early.
You said we'd start early today.
Yesterday I was feeling motivated.
Your alarm's been ringing for 10 minutes.
I heard it.
And then ignored it.
I was mentally preparing to wake up.
That's not a real thing.
It is for me.
We still have a lot to do today.
Future me can handle that.
You're impossible in the morning.
I'm barely functioning right now.
You promised we'd go for a run.
That sounds like something I'd regret saying.
Get out of bed.
I'm considering it.